Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the notifications display on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, system settings, and more. Step 3. Now locate the Game Mode option. Tap on it. Step 4. Next, locate the Notifications Display option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned on. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the Off option to turn it off instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!